Today we're gonna go on a different type of adventure. So let's not waste any more time. Let's go.
We got to the park around 8:30 p.m. and we were trying to set up as quickly as possible. We had about 25 minutes of daylight left before it got really dark. One of the benefits of going to New Jersey Motorsport Park is they allow you to camp on the property. So you could bring your tent and you could stay overnight right next to the track.
Walk to the garage.
Yeah, so this is
It's a lot of nice lights.
These are the machines that the riders today, putting them in line, keeping them in place. And then these are all of our coaches here.
Okay.
Big time guy over here.
You know he's telling some BS right here. Yo,
He's so good, right?
7 o'clock in the morning, we about to start this. This is what we doing. This is what we doing already.
He has an entire program named after him. So
Really?
you in the right place and right hands.
All right with him.
Hey, let's true story. I'm co-signing. I'm just the man standing next to the man.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's standing next to the man that's standing next to the
Oh, all right. I see how it is.
My man.
I see how.
So we're riding with him today, right?
Oh, yeah, you riding?
Yeah.
Oh, let's get it, baby.
Are you?
I'm a coach here. I'm coaching novice.
All right, take it easy on us, all right?
Come on, man. we getting it in today, man. We get everybody, personal best for everybody. PB for you, PB for you. Everybody gets a PB today. So watch out for this.
This is Mark. Fast Air Force.
On that waiver, if you have it already.
Or somewhere there, right?
Right here. But this is what you got to
What's the
master.
next one?
This is what you got to
Monday.
master. The most important thing that I feel like you're gonna have
Yes.
you're gonna need to put some time in on there is
Okay, just have a see.
this turn,
Okay.
How did I not?
and then you have to master this time.
Okay.
I'm not quite sure if it'll open this particular area,
Right.
but long left angle,
Right.
hardened on the tires,
Okay.
and then you have to master this type of chicane here.
Okay.
So that propels you into that straight away.
Straight away.
Bro. You're gonna love it.
And there's a nice turn right here on the bottom, that right hander right there, all the way around.
Yes, this is turn one.
Okay. Turn on is sharp.
You gotta make sure everything is in place.
Okay.
Billion Visions presents photos.